Here you go.
Doggy! No!
Are you feeding the duckies?
Doggy!
Duckies.
Here you go.
No.
Looks like they're all coming ashore now.
Uh-oh. Good.
Are you feeding the baby duckies, Sissy?
Doggy!
Yeah. Ducky.
Put candy in
Here you go.
Okay, here you go.
Doggo!
Here you go.
Doggy!
Ducky.
The mommy.
The mommy ducky, yes. And the baby.
Doggy!
Here you go.
Doggy! Doggo! Doggy! Doggo!
There you go. Look at this guy over here. What's he doing?
It's the same one that was over there. That ducky.
Not you.
Yeah. Say, Ducky, here you go. Those were such hungry babies. Cece have to feed the hungry baby ducks.
Doggy!
Hello, ducky. Look
Doggy!
at this one.
Doggy! Doggo!
Uh-oh, you threw it backwards.
Bye.
Whoa.
Mama ducky's upset.
Here you go.
Hi, Miss Katie.
They're so cute.
You don't want to feed the ducks no more?
Doggy!
Done, duckies? Ducky, here you go.
Doggo! Doggy!
Ducky, here you go.
Doggo!
You're pretty funny, Cece.
Oh, good girl.
Oh, I see Aunt Carol is up there on the porch.
Yeah, Bobby.
She's probably somewhat finding this amusing.
Yeah.
Nah.